Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. I am super happy to have you. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning stitchy, welcome back. If you guys wouldn't mind, real quick before we get started, leaving a comment in the comment section below, even if it's just an emoji, and leaving a thumbs up, it super helps the channel out, guys. It is the best thing you can do for a channel. I really actually mean that. My last several videos did amazingly, mostly because you guys were leaving comments and thumbs, because it pushes us out in the algorithm to new people, which helps the channel grow. And I have a goal this year of 10,000, and with y'all's help, I think we can do it. So, okay, happy April 1st. I promise no corny tricks or jokes in this video. So this is the official release of the Full Spectrum and the Birthstone collection subscription boxes. That's always a mouthful. I don't know why. Okay, before I show you the yarn, I will give you a heads up notice so you can look away if you don't want to be, if you don't want it to be spoiled and you'd like to be surprised. And then I'll let you know when I lay it down. Before that, I have a lot of important details to tell you about the subscription boxes. If you are not familiar with ordering, please listen. There are a lot of important details in here. And if by the end of the video you find that you have a question, rewind and see if it was answered. Chances are it was. Okay. Both boxes are $25 for one hank, and the shipping is included. With the regular Full Spectrum subscription box, you also get handmade stitch markers by D over D's Creative Hands. The Birthstone collection, you do not. Orders, payments are due by the 8th of the month, and shipping is between the 15th and the 20th of the month. Even if you get your order in on the 1st, even if you sent your order 2 weeks before the subscription box was even released, shipping is the 15th or the 20th every single month. I am trying to move that date sooner, but that is a process. So it will be between the 15th and the 20th. If you hear snoring, that would be Gizmo, my Frenchie, laying here, snoozing away. Every additional hank after that is $20 additional, no additional shipping. I eat the shipping cost, unless you want to send extra, which is always appreciated, but by no means necessary. Let's see. Okay, so you can pay Cashapp, Zelle, or PayPal. All of that information will be in the description box below. And in the note part, all of them have a note part. Cashapp does too. I know it's easy to miss. It's right under where you put the sender's name. It's right under there. I need your name, your address, which box, and which weight. Because there's 2 boxes. You can put FS for Full Spectrum. You can put Birthstone. You can put BS for Birthstone, FSBS if you're getting both of them, and then the weight. That way I know, which weight you want. That is super important. It causes massive delays for your order if you don't get that in, and if I have to track you down and everything like that. Okay, let's see. Due date, payment, everything you need to include in it. I always feel like I forget something. I had to stop and think. Okay. So the available bases are fingering weight, 437 yards, DK weight, 231 yards, worsted weight, 187 yards. All of them are on an extra fine, really soft and squishy 19.5 micron base, 100% merino wool. These bases are lovely. They're very nice. Okay, so the first one, excitedly, we have a co-creator. We have a special guest creator this month. And we may do this more often. I think it was kind of fun. I think one of these months soon, I'll pick one of you to design a month or something. We'll do some sort of giveaway where the winner gets to pick out the colorway. But this month, a very special little Miss Sunshine herself, Miss Evie Rose, Bago Day, Crystal over at Bago Day, her daughter, Evelyn Rose, has designed this month's colorway, and she is calling it Neon Sunset, which is very, very fitting. It is very pretty. So Miss Rose, I really hope I did a good job for you. Okay, so if you do not want to see this month's colorway, look away. So this is it all hanged up. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's really pretty. This is it unhanged. I love where this color and this color blend, which most of them will probably have a little bit more of that, blending area, but she said she wanted the brightest of these two colors that I have, and that is as bright as I could possibly get them. So, Miss Rose, you tell your mama to let me know if that was good. So that is the full spectrum box. And then this is the, okay, before I show you the Birthstone collection, I know you're like, shut up, I don't want to hear any more talking, just show me the yarn. This was a really difficult, there's 2 months out of this year that are extremely difficult to design for. And that is April, this month, which is my, it's my birthday month, Diamond. And then April, Opal. There are multiple birthstones for each month. I couldn't find another one for April. And I looked because I didn't know what to do. I had an idea and I changed the idea last minute last night. And the reason I changed it is because October, this colorway will work for. It would work for April and October, but I couldn't think of anything else to work for October. It's literally the only way I can do it. I thought of something that would kind of work for April. So I'm doing this now, saving that one for October. Plus, once you see October, this conversation will make sense, okay? And I'll remind you of it. What I was going to do this month would have revealed future months' colorways that haven't been released yet for the Birthstone collection because I need them to make this one. That might give you an idea of what I'm talking about. And I didn't want to do that. So it has to wait for October. It just has to. So I did something a little different. This is a very loose interpretation of diamond, okay? Think of diamond as clear. I don't know. That's all the connection I can give you. All right. This does not look like a diamond, okay? I'm fully aware that this doesn't look like a diamond, okay? But this also is what will work with the entire year because this is a make your own make along. You use these hanks all together for something like a blanket or a cardigan, or use them separately. I'm scared to show it because I know it just doesn't look like a diamond. Okay, you would never look at this in 1,000 years and think diamond. But this is what we have for diamond, okay? So it is a gray and black in the same way that I've done all of the other ones, a couple tones of color. What was an unexpected yet happy thing that happened is I used Twilight Gray. And if you guys have been watching recently, Twilight Gray has been fun. Twilight Gray breaks. And we have some purple and we have some blue little shocks of color here and there. Can you see it? You can definitely see the purple. Yeah, we have some shocks of blue and purple and very light couple of little areas of green, but mostly blue and purple. This is my very extremely loose reimagination of diamond. It's the only way I can make it work. But it has a perfect place. If you think of all of the rest of the birthstones, it fits perfectly in there with them. This is going to look so good with all of the rest of them. And October is going to tie everything together. It's going to be lovely. I already have it planned out. It's going to be great. So, the only way I was going to be able to do the other colorway this month was if I did a pastelized version of it in October, and pastel has no place in this entire group of colors that we're doing for this whole year. It just would be, it would stick out like a sore thumb. And for those that are working everything in one project, it'll look weird. It wouldn't look right. So this is what I've chosen. I hope you guys like it. I think it actually, having all of them sitting over here and knowing what's coming up, this is actually really good. This I think is going to be perfect. So anyway, so that is what April's birthstone collection is going to be. I was going to show it to you hanged up. Sometimes that helps people too. So this is it all hanged up. It's really pretty. I really like it. I actually think these kind of look really pretty together, but that might just be me. I don't know. Anyway, so it releases today, goes until the 8th, ships between the 15th and the 20th, $25 for the first hank, $20 for every hank after that. That includes shipping. No additional shipping if you do additional hanks. I absorb that. And then stitch markers with the full spectrum one. Oh, you can look now. I'm not showing them anymore. Stitch markers included. There was a, yeah, in the full spectrum one, not the birthstone one, there will be stitch markers included in that one. So yeah, please just remember to do your name, your address, the weight that you want, and which collection that you're wanting. Or if you're wanting both, indicate both and which weights for both, and then we'll be off to the races. So I have another couple of videos. I know a lot of people are really excited and waiting to see the end results of the hanks for Crystal's 1 million celebration. You guys, she did it. I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of her. She's so deserving. I mean, she worked her little booty off for this, and yeah, just good job, girlfriend. So for her 1 million celebration, those things that I've been dyeing, I'm editing all of that together. They are still drying. They're very, very chunker hanks, okay? They're thick boys. So they're taking a minute to dry, but once they're dry, then I will put that whole video together. That will probably be tomorrow or the next day. Right here, I have a big box of something I ordered the first of the year, and it finally came. So I'm going to record that video. And then I don't know. Oh, I think I'm going to dye my yarn for Crystal's crochet along. So I will be showing you guys, I'll probably be doing a video of me actually dyeing it. So that's kind of what's coming up. We are also going to have a party of our own where I announce a very exciting announcement. And it has nothing to do with the channel. It is a life announcement, and I couldn't be more thrilled. So we're going to have a party to announce it where I am going to be doing tons of giveaways. You have to be subscribed. And the first person who correctly guesses after all my clues what the announcement is will get a surprise. But there's going to be lots of giveaways. I'm just so excited to do this. And yeah, that will be coming up very, very soon. I won't be doing like a birthday celebration or anything. I'm not good at that stuff. But this we're going to do. So be looking out for that. But all right, I will talk to you guys later. Stay safe, stay weird, and I will see you guys in the YouTube streets. Toodles.